Top 5 reasons why you should start learning data science. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to become a full time data scientist and AI expert from scratch, then you are in the right place. There is an ocean of career opportunities in the vast data science universe. Whether it is healthcare, retail, construction, transportation, security, finance, education, outsourcing, or robotics, you'll find a data science player in some form. You name any field, you'll have a data science player in there. You'll never regret opting for data science as a career path, whether you're a student looking to enter the workforce or a seasoned professional employed for several years. You will understand the significance of data science and really appreciate this field more as you listen on. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons why you should start learning data science. Number 1. Learning data science promises a lucrative career. According to Glassdoor, a data scientist in the US commands an annual pay package of $117,345. This figure is way higher than the normal annual average income of $44,546 for all professions. Evidently, a data scientist makes a whopping 163% more than the national average pay package. This is a clear indication that data science is a lucrative career choice. Another positive development is that a shortage of data scientists have resulted in a huge income bubble in several nations. Apart from a lucrative career, a data scientist can look forward to enjoying a prestigious position in any company they are working for. A data scientist plays an important role in the company. The company is dependent on their expertise for making vital data driven decisions. These decisions, in turn, empower the company to navigate in the right growth focused direction. Further, the role of data science professional depends on the specialization of the company employing them. For instance, a recruiting company will require a data scientist to forecast the number of trained personnel they will need in the weeks and months ahead. And a healthcare company will require a data scientist to help them in analyzing genomic sequences. A salary package of a data scientist depends on their role and the type of work they perform. Their salary also depends on the company size, which again depends on the amount of data they use. Still, the monetary compensation that data scientists receive for performing their workplace duties is way higher than what people in other IT and management sectors receive. Data science professionals need to be thorough with their skills, though. Overall, data science is certainly an attractive field due to several lucrative perks. Employers will not hesitate to pay premium salaries for data science professionals with expertise in some chosen areas. The data science field is experiencing an explosive growth. The reason for the premium salaries that data science professionals command is easy to explain. The demand for solutions that are primarily based on data science, in particular machine learning and AI, is experiencing explosive growth. And there are simply not enough skilled professionals available to execute all these new projects skillfully and successfully. This favorable situation makes it easy for you to enter the workforce as soon as you finish your data science course and training program. And it actually points to the next reason why you should start learning data science. Number 2. Data science is among the fastest growing occupations. According to FlexJobs and CNB News, data science is the fifth fastest growing job in 2021. Back in 2017, LinkedIn had named data science as the fastest growing job. And in 2018, Glassdoor had ranked data scientists as the number one job in the US. A recent study by PricewaterhouseCoopers says, quote, "The best jobs right now in America include titles like data scientist, data engineer, and business analyst." End quote. Hence, data science is, without a doubt, one of the fastest growing professions. Starting on a career path in the vast data science universe is not only rewarding, but due to the high demand for data science professionals, you can also enter the workforce as soon as you complete your education training program. Data science is an untouched gold mine, and now is the best time to enter this field. A huge number of unfiled vacancies in data science today makes it an untouched gold mine. Learning data science promises you a long, fruitful career. In 2017, IBM had said that data scientists and advanced analysts were the fastest growing roles. Further, IBM had projected that the demand would spike by 28% by 2020 for these two roles. As I said earlier, employers are willing to pay lucrative salaries for data science professionals with expertise in these areas. Data is the lifeblood of businesses worldwide. For the last several years, data has been transforming our world. This trend is expected to continue over the next few decades at least. Just consider this: you find sensors everywhere. Cities not only measure data, but they also evaluate data and act upon a wide variety of data sources. Governments at every level are contemplating opening their data to the local citizens. Data has been gradually transforming old businesses, and data is powering dynamic new businesses. Anyone with a smartphone today carries with them a mobile sensor platform that generates data. As a result, the needs of the workforce have shifted rapidly. As I go on and on about data, you may be wondering, what has all this got to do with the importance of learning data science? Okay, that's a valid question. Let me explain. The demand for a new breed of skilled experts in data, analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning is quite evident. It certainly requires the right kind of response from both higher education as well as workforce development planners. But one thing is certain if you want to be futuristic, and you don't want to be left behind. You need to learn data science because it's among the fastest growing occupations, and you can quickly land a lucrative job. Number 3. Data science is the topmost career of the future. Okay, this point really follows on from the previous points I made. Just imagine the variety of job titles in the vast data science universe. Currently, they include data analyst, data scientist, business analyst, data statistician, data engineer and data architect, big data engineer, data and analytics manager, machine learning engineer, database administrator, business intelligence professional, data ecologist, systems analyst, operations analyst, marketing analyst, and several others. And as I said right at the beginning, data science encompasses every industry, whether it is healthcare, retail, construction, transportation, security, finance, education, outsourcing, or robotics. From all this data, isn't it obvious that data science is the topmost career of the future? Another noteworthy point is that every industry is becoming data driven. New innovations are happening every day. Every field is becoming dynamic. More data is being generated as more and more people interact with the internet. You may be wondering, how does the generation of more data make data science the topmost career of the future? Well, let me explain this in simple terms. Every industry needs data scientists to assist them in not only making smarter decisions, but also in creating better products and services. In today's world, not being data literate can be suicidal for businesses. Every business needs to know how to transform crude, raw data into meaningful products. And every business must learn the most recent techniques and understand all of the requirements to evaluate data and draw the most valuable insights from this data. All of this clearly implies that data holds untapped potential. And this potential must be realized to develop the best products. The advent of machine learning, ML, technologies has made exploitation of this untapped potential a reality. Machine learning has made the prediction and intelligent classification of information possible. Therefore, data science, evidently, holds the key to the future. Start learning data science before it's too late. Today, it's the big picture of artificial intelligence that is presenting us with the products of the future, such as the self driving car, autonomous robot, etc. Systems that can take routine and even critical decisions without human interference are no longer works of fiction, they are a reality. The emergence of the natural language processing (NLP) and reinforcement learning (RL) has made it possible to build such systems in the contemporary world. It's true that the data science field is really vast, and it's also true that the rewards you get in this field are even greater. The main point you need to understand is that technologies continue to evolve rapidly. New technologies are quickly replacing the older ones. Consequently, you need to be dynamic. You need to keep up with the most advanced technology, and you need to keep moving forward. The need of the hour, therefore, is to learn data science. It's the best way you can recession proof your career. Number 4. The shortfall in the number of qualified data science professionals makes it easy for you to grab a job in the data science field. Yes, it's easy to grab a job in this field if you make the right career moves. When you look closely at the 3 points I've discussed so far, it's pretty obvious that there is a problem of demand and supply in the data science field. Much of the shortage in the demand for data science professionals is contributed by the infancy of this relatively new field. You can fill this vacuum in supply now by learning data science. The other thing you need to understand is that data science isn't a standalone field. This field includes different subfields such as mathematics, statistics, computer science, and core knowledge. The data science field presents a new learner with a steep learning curve. To be fair, this field is difficult to master. But if you already hold a degree in any one of the subfields I mentioned just now, you'll find that the learning curve isn't all that steep. And if you want to transform from another field to this field, it's pretty easy. You only need to make an effort and play to your strengths. As I have already emphasized, the data science field has been flourishing for the last 4 to 5 years. Jobs in this field have been the most in demand jobs. Companies are going overboard in looking for data science professionals. At a time when the demand for data science professionals is high, the supply is low. The reason for the diminishing supply of data science professionals is because of the fact that companies in every industry are hiring them, and startups are relying heavily on data science professionals to move forward. The abundance of data in every field is the primary reason for the huge demand for data science professionals. The main resource needed to convert all this excess data into useful products is a qualified and reliable data science team. But there simply aren't enough competent people with the requisite skills to help businesses exploit the potential that data holds. It's this shortage in the supply of qualified data science professionals that makes it easy for you to grab a job in this field. You only need to start learning data science now. Number 5. Easy availability of programs and courses in data science. You have countless options for data science training, right from a 2 year associate's degree in data science to a 4 year bachelor's degree in various postgraduate and doctorate programs. You can also take up short online courses in data science or an ultra short online course that focuses on completing mini projects in data science. AI Sciences offers several courses on udemy.com in the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning fields. We have helped over 50,000 learners to master AI and data science. So, if you really want to learn data science, there are several online courses you can enroll in right now. Data science is primarily a learn by doing profession. While theoretical concepts help in laying an essential foundation, you need to be proficient in the practical aspects to stand a realistic chance of entering the data science field. Every AI Sciences course includes a few mini projects so that you can develop your practical skills in data science. I would advise you to take a closer look at all the available data science courses that fit your budget and time frame. You can then shortlist the best available courses and make an informed decision about the best course you can pursue. Keep your career goals in mind too. The main advantage of learning data science online is that you don't need to spend a fortune. The other advantage is that you don't need to study for years before you can start working in the data science field. What this implies is that you can easily upgrade your employability and career prospects. Initially, you only need to learn the elementary theoretical and practical skills required for data science. You can then learn the advanced concepts in data science and get your foot in the workforce. You can take on an entry level data science role initially. Look for a job that offers you some flexibility. At this level, the employer may not expect you to be a data expert. You can use the initial job flexibility to focus on doing tasks that really pique your interest. From there, you can consider moving from operations analytics to other tasks. If you're interested in learning more about becoming a data scientist, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.